everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back again with another tutorial. And today I want to show you this that I've been making, and it just looks like a little well, triangle really, but when it opens up it actually reveals this really cool card. So it just stands up like that by itself and then it will just fold back in. Now our Stampin' Up! Card is really thick, so it won't really stay closed. So I suppose what you could do is just maybe tie a ribbon or something around it. But yeah, I think it's really cool and it's really easy to make, and I decorated it with some little balloons, which I think is from the, oh damn, I can't remember what you call it, but it's retired now, Balloon Adventures or Balloon Celebrations or something. And I use the Sweet Soiree Designer Series paper for that. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to make this one in very vanilla, and I'm using the Eastern Medallion DSP. I've got a bit of that left, so I thought I would use up that. And to decorate it this time, I thought it would be a good idea to cut out some words, letters from the large letter framelits, and I've cut out love you. So obviously love, and then I've got a little heart which will separate the love from the you, so we're going to decorate it with that, which I think will look quite nice. So what you're going to need to make it is 4 pieces. Why have I only got 3? No, I haven't. 4 pieces of card, which they all measure the same, 5.5 by 5.5 inches, or 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. And then what I've done as well is I've took 4 pieces of DSP and I've made them just a little bit smaller, 5.25 by 5.25. So as you can see, they're just a little bit smaller. And what I've done is I've just cut them diagonally in half and in half again, and that will give you 4 pieces. We only need 3 because each panel of the card has got 3. Okay, and so I've cut them, and then I'm gonna have them like different colours. Okay, so all together we'll need 3, 6, 9, 12. We'll need 12 little triangles. So I've got 8 and then I want to cut this one as well. Okay, so I'll just show you. It's really easy. I just lined it up in my trimmer with the little cutting lines, and I just cut it like that, and then just turn it to the side. Make sure that's in the middle of where the cut line is, and then I just cut again, and that gives you your little triangles. And then again. Okay, so that's simple. And then I've already done what we need to do with 3 of the pieces of card. You just do the same for all of them. So just take a ruler and your score tool, and you just want to score like a straight line diagonally across. And then again. Okay, and just do that with all 4 of your pieces, and then we're going to fold and burnish them. Okay, so you should have 4 of them, alright? And then what we're going to do is the same to every piece. So we want to remove one of these triangles, but we want to leave a little piece to glue it together. So I'm just going to cut up this score line here. Okay, but then instead of cutting up the score line, I am going to leave about maybe 3/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, 3/8, like that. And then I'm just going to take a little notch out of there, like that. Okay, and what will happen is when we glue it together, it will sit up like that, and that will glue on there. So you want to do that to all of your pieces. Okay. Okay, so we've got 4 of them now, and then we can start decorating them. So we know that they're going to fold up just like that. Okay, so we can start putting our paper on, and I'm just going to use some Tombow. That's what you're just going to do for all of your pieces, alright? And then the piece that is next to this that will get glued onto this tab here, okay, we need to score a line down the middle of here, just this one, okay? So just take your ruler and just where the point is, just score a line just straight down the middle. Okay, and then we will just fold that in, and then fold it back the other way, because what will happen is when we glue that to that, we know that that will then bend in like that. Okay, so then we will need some tape down here. Just a little piece of tape. Okay. And then just literally glue that to there. Just line that up. Actually we can, no we can't, just glue it like that. And just pop the back on. Make sure that's stuck, and then we know that that will fold in and create our little triangle. Okay, so you want to do that with all of your pieces, because the bit that folds up will end up being the bottom of our card, so we will need our words on here. Okay, and then I'm going to have the next one in this pattern. So as I said, the bottom, it's always going to be, the foldy bit is going to be the bottom. So if you wanted, you could put your words on now if you wanted to. But I'm going to do it when I've stuck them together, because normally I'll probably get confused and put them in the wrong place. It would be easier to do it now, because we have to glue them and stack them onto each other like this. Okay, so you could work it out and put them on like this. So if we have L, we would have L and O there for love. Sorry everyone, the battery ran out. So yeah, I've decided to just stick them down before I glue it together, because it will be easier. Just remember that this bit will always be the bottom, okay? And then I want this colour, because this will then get glued to there and open up like that. So then I want V and E. It just does make it a little bit easier to do it when they're flat, that's all. Obviously that one I can't because I've already stuck it together, but okay, so we've got L-O-V-E. Then this one I need a little heart there, so I'm going to put the little heart. Okay, this is what I mean, it's a lot easier to do it when they're flat. Okay, then I want the Y. Okay, and then this one will be O, and then U. So I hope it looks nice when it's done. I think it will. Just thought it would be a little bit different than just putting balloons or flowers on or whatever. Okay, so we're going to get this stuck together now. So we will just peel the tape off. Okay, and then just give that a bit of a burnish. Okay, so obviously we want our LO, then our VE, so we're going to pop some glue on here. Okay, and then we're going to glue our VE on top of here, and just make sure you try and get it lined up so it's nice and even. Just press that down. Okay, so there we go, love. And then LOVE, then we want our little heart and our Y. So more glue on there. I think this is really cool because you could just decorate it in so many ways, make it for so many different occasions. I think kids would love this kind of card. You could maybe spell out the name or something. Do whatever you want. And then we want the O and the U. Okay, so there, open it up, there we go, we've got love, you. I think that is just so cool, and it looks really nice as well, I think, in them colours with the gold words as well. And then I think, just to give it a bit more sparkle, I might just pop a few of these little gems on, just anywhere really. I'm just going to put 2 in each corner. And there we go. So, and what you could do is, if you want it to stand up, you could just put something there to keep it glued together. It's entirely up to you. And then it just folds back up like that. So yeah, I love it. I think it's gorgeous. There's the original one that I made. So all the info will be on my blog, and I will be back again on Friday with another tutorial. So I hope you'll have a go at making one of these. I think it looks really, really nice, and it's something a bit different as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.